Hi, and welcome to Lesson 3 of Email Attachments for WooCommerce, Deleting and Managing Attachments. In this lesson, you will learn how to safely remove email attachments and properly manage your PDF files within WordPress. Simply navigate to WooCommerce, go to Settings, and select Email Attachments. Here, you can find the general settings for WooCommerce email attachments. If you want to delete the plugin settings upon deactivation, you can select this option. By checking this, the settings will be removed when the plugin is deactivated. However, please note that uploaded attachments are not deleted. Keep in mind that WordPress deactivates a plugin during updates. We also have an option to delete settings upon uninstallation. You can select this to remove the options when the plugin is uninstalled. Uploaded attachment files are not deleted by default, but you can force delete them from the plugin page. Next, we have the Email Settings tab. In this section, if you want to upload an attachment file, click the Upload button, select the file, and accept the submission. You will then see an option to remove the file. This allows you to remove the file from the email attachment list without deleting the actual file, allowing you to reuse it later. Simply click Remove and select OK. That is all for this lesson. You now know how to safely remove email attachments and manage your PDF files without breaking any links on your site. Always double-check before deleting media to keep your WooCommerce store running smoothly. Well, that wraps up our lesson of email attachments for WooCommerce. For more plugin tutorials, subscribe to Sleekr Digital.